I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check the Microsoft account region, phone country code, and billing country. Once done, open a clean browser or private window and enable a reliable VPN endpoint in a supported country. Next, sign out of all Microsoft services on that device, clear cookies, and restart the browser. Then, prepare an alternate email and a payment method that matches the VPN country. This avoids automatic region mismatch during the registration and validation steps. You now execute the middle steps. Connect the VPN to the supported country and confirm the IP geolocation shows that country. Then sign into account. Microsoft. And change your account region, billing address, and primary phone to match the VPN location. Make sure to save each change and wait for propagation. This can take minutes. Next, add a validated payment method and verify via SMS or email. The verification must originate while the VPN remains active. Otherwise, Microsoft will flag the mismatch. You finish by validating access. With the VPN still on, log out and back into Microsoft services and confirm purchases or downloads operate without the country code error. If the block persists, revert recent edits, try a different supported country, or use a fresh account and repeat the steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if Microsoft still rejects the region, clear cache, use a new browser profile, and switch VPN endpoints. Persistent failures often result from lingering cookies or an IP flagged by Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.